where's the card? What have you got? Did you get something special in the mail today?
Mommy.
Can you say hi? Don't be sad. What do you have in your hand? Cameron. Cameron, hello. Do you have a card? Can you open the card? What's on? Show Mommy. What's on the front? Card. You're going to read the card? Oh, that's a wonderful card, Cameron. Yeah?
Daddy?
Yes, honey.
Yeah.
I trade you for this other gift. You gonna keep recording?
Uh-oh, did it fall down?
Daddy.
Daddy, get our card, please.
Here you go.
Say thank you, Auntie Mark. Say thank you. Thank you. Good girl.
Yeah.
Can you say, Cameron? Say thank you. Thank you. Good girl. Do you want to tell Auntie Mark your new word for today? What's your new word? Is it hockey? What's your new word? Cameron, don't bend the card. Come here. Is your new word for today hockey?
Hockey.
Good girl. All right. Say bye-bye.
Blow kiss.
Can you blow kiss?
Blow
kiss.
Kim.
Kim, blow kiss.
Say bye-bye.
Don't be crazy. Blow kiss. You don't want to blow kiss? I'm going to send this to Auntie Mark and she's going to know you didn't want to blow her kiss.
Say bye-bye.
Oh, well. We'll just tell her you have Daddy's attitude then, okay? All right. Bye-bye.